Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Sprout. So today we are going to learn about mixed fraction in a very easy way. So our heading is mixed fraction made easy, and in this video we will see how we can convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction. Because many of the students are getting confused with mixed fraction, how to add, how to subtract using mixed fraction, how we can convert improper fraction. So in this video we will discuss about that, and after completing this video you will find it easy to do arithmetics with fraction. So first of all, let's see what is a mixed fraction, and let's see that with an example. I'm going to write an example for mixed fraction. So 3 and 1 by 2. So this is what a mixed fraction, or this is how a mixed fraction looks like. 3 and 1 by 2. This is how we will read it. This is called a mixed fraction because it has two parts. 3 is the whole number, and 1 by 2 is the fraction part. So basically mixed fraction means whole number plus fraction. So here 3 is the whole number and 1 by 2 is the fraction part. Now before converting this, we should understand one small thing. Okay, like what is a proper fraction? First of all, we have proper fraction and we have improper fraction. So mixed fraction means whole number plus fraction. Now let's see what is proper fraction. So let me write an example. 1 by 2. So this is called a proper fraction. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Do you know why? Look at the fraction part, numerator and denominator. Here the numerator is smaller than the denominator. See, 1 and then we have 2. So 1 is smaller than 2. Numerator is less than denominator. That's why we call it as a proper fraction. So this is how you will identify whether it is a proper or improper fraction. So yeah, 1 is smaller than 2. So this is a proper fraction. Are you clear with proper fraction? So now we have learned what is a mixed fraction and what is proper fraction also. Mixed fraction has two parts, which is whole number plus fraction, and proper fraction is the one with numerator which is smaller than the denominator. Now we are moving to another one, which is improper fraction. Improper fraction. So if you know proper fraction, then it is very easy to understand improper fraction. Example 7 by 2. So this is an improper fraction. Why? Because as I said before, the proper fraction numerator was smaller, whereas in improper fraction numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, you can see here the top one, the numerator is 7, and the down one, the denominator is 2, which means 7 is bigger than 2. Okay, so we'll call 7 by 2 is an improper fraction. And this is how we will identify proper and improper fraction. I hope you are clear with mixed fraction, proper fraction and improper fraction. So again I'm repeating, proper fraction is the one with smaller denominator, improper fraction one with bigger denominator, mixed fraction is the fraction with whole number and a fraction part. Now let's convert, or let's see how we can convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we are going to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Let's take the same example that we have seen in our previous, when we discussed about the mixed fraction, we saw 3 and 1 by 2. Let's take the same example, and the method is very simple. So first we multiply, then we have to add, and we use the same denominator. This is the key rule that you can remember in your mind when you convert mixed fraction to improper. So first you have to multiply the whole number. So whole number here is 3 with the denominator. So 3 times 2 will give you 6. And then we will add the numerator. 6 plus 1 equals 7. That is what multiply and then add. And finally, same denominator. So now we are going to keep the same denominator, which is 2. So our final answer will be 7 by 2. We are keeping the same denominator. Okay. So this is how we will convert mixed fraction into improper. Let's do another example. So here you can see 4 and 3 by 5. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So another example. This is also a mixed fraction. So here 4 is the whole number, 3 by 5 is the fraction part, and now we are going to convert it to improper fraction. So remember the steps: multiply, add, and then keep same denominator. This is our key rule that we will use for converting mixed to a improper fraction. So first of all, we can multiply our whole number with the denominator, which is 4 times 5 equal to 20. Now we will add the numerator. Numerator is 3, so we will get 20 plus 3, which is equal to 23. Then we will keep the same denominator, which is 5. So our answer will be 23 divided by 5. So 4 and 3 by 5 mixed fraction, if we convert improper, we'll get 23 by 5. So this is how we will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now, why we convert to improper fraction? We convert to improper fraction because it is easier to do operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So mixed fraction as well as improper fraction are just two different ways of writing the same value. I'll explain you this in another video. So in this section, we have learned how to convert to improper fraction, and we learn what mixed fraction is, what a proper fraction is, what an improper fraction is, and how to convert mixed into an improper fraction. If this helped you, subscribe to Smart Sprout for more easy math videos.